Learn easy English, one scene at a time. Perfect for beginners and kids. Interactions in the park or while walking. Good morning. Good morning. 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 Nice weather today. Nice weather today. It feels great. It feels great. Do you come here often? Do you come here often? A few times a week. A few times a week. Out for a walk? Out for a walk? I walk every morning. I walk every morning. Lots of people are running. Lots of people are running. Mornings are always busy. Mornings are always busy. So many dogs here. So many dogs here. They all look happy. They all look happy. The cherry blossoms are beautiful. The cherry blossoms are beautiful. Spring is my favorite season. Spring is my favorite season. It's a bit cool today. It's a bit cool today. Perfect for a walk. Perfect for a walk. Want to sit over there? Want to sit over there? Sounds good. Sounds good. I hear the birds. I hear the birds. It's so peaceful. It's so peaceful. This place is relaxing. This place is relaxing. I think so too. I think so too. Do you exercise often? Do you exercise often? I run on the weekends. I run on the weekends. How many kilometers? How many kilometers? About 5 kilometers. About 5 kilometers. That's good for your health. That's good for your health. It clears my mind. It clears my mind. Ready to head back? Ready to head back? I'd like to walk a little more. I'd like to walk a little more. Let's do one more lap. Let's do one more lap. Let's do it. Let's do it. The pond looks beautiful. The pond looks beautiful. Want to take a photo? Want to take a photo? Yes, please. Yes, please. That's a great picture. That's a great picture. I'll send it. I'll send it. Thanks. Thanks. I had a great time. I had a great time. Me too. Me too. Let's come again. Let's come again. Definitely. Definitely. Great exercise. Great exercise. It sure was. It sure was. Well then. Well then. See you next time. See you next time. Take care. Take care. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Bye. See you. See you. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.